Sir, ilang araw na lang, ilang linggo na lang ay huling State of the Nation address nyo na po. Ano ang dapat abangan ng ating mga kababayan at ano po yung mga maipagmamalaki yung legacy ng Duterte administration?
Nothing. All I want the people is to just look around. Ito, ang ganito. Hindi ko ipagyabang. Una-una, hindi ko ito pera. That's not my money. All I would just say is that we built and that's all. I will not crow about it in public because sabihin na ito, hindi mo pera yan. Bakit kasi payabang dyan?
Meanwhile, so this is one of the four major projects that legacy projects that we will be finishing in Davao and its environs. So nakatapos na tayo, marami na tayong nabuksan na section dito.